Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. Today we are going to be making a potent and powerful hair growth oil using onions and ginger. I've already cleaned the onions and ginger, so now I'm going ahead to start grating the ginger. Ginger have awesome benefits for hair and scalp. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp, and as a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair roots and follicles. Ginger is also rich in fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen the hair strands and prevent hair loss. Ginger also contains antimicrobial and antiseptic properties that help keep the scalp clean and prevent dandruff. After grating the ginger, I'll go ahead to start cutting the onions into smaller pieces. Onions are also very good for hair and scalp. They are very potent if you want to grow thicker, longer hair. Onions are rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize hair breakage and thinning. Onions have potent antimicrobial properties that help fight scalp infections and in turn help to reduce hair fall. Onions also help to combat head lice. They add thickness to hair and promote hair growth. After prepping the onions and ginger, we'll add both ingredients to a cooking pan. And into that, I'm going to add 150 ml of sunflower oil. I initially added 150 ml, but I felt like it wasn't going to be enough, so I added about 50 ml more. In total, we have 200 ml of sunflower oil. Now transfer the pan to a cooker. We are going to infuse this over very low heat. The lowest heat you can get on your cooker, that's what you're going to use. Also make sure to stir occasionally as you are doing this. I let this infuse over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Don't over process it, guys. Just once the oil is hot enough, just bring it out of heat and let it sit and cool down. As it's cooling, it's also infusing the more. It has cooled down here, and now I'm going to filter to get a very rich, potent onions and ginger oil. Guys, you can also blend this if you prefer, but sometimes I like to change things up. Sometimes I use a blender, sometimes I don't, because I understand that some people may not have a blender or may not have stable electricity. So I just do this, change things up to show you that there are other ways you can also use to achieve your results. You can also do this without certain gadgets. But to be honest, blending everything together with the oil will always give you a richer, more potent oil. But this is also good enough. You can see the ingredients are properly infused in the oil as well. And here is our onions and ginger oil, guys. This oil is so rich and powerful. I can't even rave about this oil enough. So now I'm going to transfer the onions and ginger oil into this my glass jar, and into that I'm going to be adding some essential oils and vitamin E. Here I'm adding tea tree oil and peppermint essential oil. I also added some vitamin E in order to help preserve the oil and prolong the shelf life. We are using fresh ingredients that can really reduce the shelf life of the oil. But once you add vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant, the oil is bound to last for months without any problem. So what I do is I store my oil in the jar, but whenever I want to use it, I will heat it up to make it warm and then transfer to this my applicator bottle for easy application. I like to use my oil warm because I usually use this as a deep treatment oil, and it's very good when the oil is warm so that it will penetrate better into the hair strands and also the scalp.
Sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just.
For the application, guys, I'm going to be using the onions and ginger oil on Ivy's hair. I'm using this as a hot oil treatment on Ivy's hair. So I first went in to spray her hair with a hair growth spray. The hair growth spray I used here is my fenugreek and cloves hairspray. I have the video up on my channel in case if you're interested on how to make that. So I'm now going to start applying the oil first to her scalp. Apply to her scalp generously, and then I work it into her hair strands and also massage it into her scalp. Guys, if you are looking for hair growth and thicker hair, for example, if you have thin hair and you are trying to use treatments like this to thicken your hair and promote hair growth, applying oils like this to your scalp is very important. Apply generously on your scalp, massage it in. That way you are feeding your actual hair follicles, because that's where hair growth starts from, and that's where you have probably dormant hair follicles that needs to be stimulated to start growing again. So always try and massage your scalp properly, and then work the oil up to your hair strands, because the oil actually also helps to repair damaged hair and add shine to your hair, deeply condition and moisturize your hair, help to lock in that moisture to keep your hair healthy and moisturized for longer, add that healthy sheen we all love to our hair. So it's also very important for the hair strands as well, but the main place is your scalp. Please take a second to like this video. Also hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. We are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this February, and I know it's possible. We have just a few subscribers left to meet our target. Also watch the video, guys. We need that watch time. We need watch time. So I applied the oil all over Ivy's hair, section by section, and once I'm done, I'll go in to properly massage her scalp, guys. Scalp massage is very important. Even as I was massaging her scalp, as I was applying the oils, after everything, I also go ahead to give her a thorough general scalp massage. And after I'm done, I'll cover her hair with a plastic bag and leave the treatment on her hair for about 1 to 2 hours. I'll just let her play around with it in her hair. After 1 or 2 hours, I'll then go ahead to wash it off and continue with the rest of her wash day. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section. I love you all, and see you in my next video. Bye.